Today I'm gonna take a look at these 3.5 inch drones. This is the size of propeller that I started with. So my first drone was this GapRC Smart 35, and it flew pretty good. I changed the motors to these Brother Hobby 1504s to try to get some more control, but it didn't really help that much. They're really quite noisy motors. So then I tried to build this lighter 3.5 inch drone. So here I used the Crux 35 frame, and this one broke on the first crash in the grass. So the frame is really not that great, sadly. Not what I'm looking for. I mean, it flew okay, it's just very light, but just very fragile. It's a very strange connection they have here between the arms on the bottom plate, where only two parts connect and the third does not, and that's probably where it broke. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna salvage these two, take some parts and put it in this Toothfairy 2 from FPVcycle with 3.5 inch arms. And I know this frame pretty well. I've already built this as a 5 inch and as a 3 inch Cinewhoop. I'm gonna use these 16mm FPVcycle motors, which I've heard pretty good things about. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, enjoy.